Challenges in implementing cybersecurity governance. Cybersecurity governance isn't just about policies. It's about creating a culture of accountability, risk awareness, and proactive protection. But as essential as it is, implementing it successfully comes with real-world challenges that many organizations struggle to overcome. Cybersecurity governance is the framework that defines how an organization manages, directs, and monitors its security strategy. It aligns security objectives with business goals and regulatory requirements. Here are 5 key challenges in implementing effective cybersecurity governance. No executive support. Without leadership buy-in, cybersecurity lacks funding and strategic importance. Teams work in silos. IT and security often don't collaborate, leading to gaps in protection. Regulations keep changing. Staying compliant is tough with evolving global rules and frameworks. Talent shortage. A lack of skilled professionals makes it hard to build and maintain strong governance. Reactive mindset. Many firms act after breaches, rather than preventing them through proactive governance. Learn how Akitra can help you achieve compliance quickly by requesting a demo at akitra.com.